Hi guys, welcome back. So if you've been keeping tabs on our social media, you'll know that we've had this carbon fibre R8 in for the past couple of months for a load of sort of like troubleshooting issues. Before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, and then you won't miss when any of our new videos go live. So R8 V10 that's already had the VF Supercharger system added, so running around sort of like 700 horsepower. This kit and the Supercharger was actually installed by Sturtman Motorsport over in Sweden, and this car used to be owned by Jon Olsson, who's sort of like the Red Bull athlete. Customer of ours purchased it a few years ago. It's been serviced here sort of like ever since, and we've got a little bit of rectification work to do. The oil temperature sensor, we need to do like a full service and everything that sort of like goes involved with that. So yeah, we're going to get the car in the workshop, get stuck in, and walk you through the process. Okay, so we've got some of the parts removed that we spoke about earlier on. So we've got the Supercharger out here in front of us. We've got the injectors, sort of like the injector test, and we're just going to walk you through some of the stuff that we've done. So obviously we said earlier on we're going to be replacing the Supercharger pulleys. Obviously his kit's been fitted for almost 10 years now. So we just thought we'd refresh the Supercharger pulleys with some nice new aluminium ones with fresh bearings as well, so be a little bit more durable. Also, we have tested the injectors, balanced them out, and replaced the Teflon seals as well. The injectors beforehand, they were a little bit unbalanced, so certain cylinders were getting less fuel than others, so that's all been balanced out now, so we'll get those fitted. And then also replace the oil temperature sensor as well, because obviously that was a fault on this car. So so we're going to get this all bolted back up, put it on the dyno, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.